Dustin, very good question. Typically, the types of situations where white glove delivery services are needed would be sensitive or delicate equipment manufacturers, deliveries that require inside into data centers, into hospitals, doctors' offices, etc., where they need inside placement, facilities that don't have docks, and then obviously installation and deinstallation, as well as assembly of the product, as well as dunnage removal and masonite and things like that to protect the floors. So very, very well prepared, very well equipped, and the equipment is typically very sensitive and expensive. The difference in terms of delivering these services, I think, there's lots of companies in the marketplace today that claim that they do white glove. And really what they do is they'll add some day labor at delivery and they'll call it a white glove delivery. Unfortunately, the equipment itself isn't equipped to handle the kinds of deliveries that are required. The network that we utilize can handle up to 6,600 pounds, and they're air ride equipment. They have lift gates. They have lots of different equipment, including decking bars and pads and wraps and straps, and all the other equipment that is, four-wheel dollies, corner boards, and those are the kinds of things that really allow them and the two men or more to make a delivery efficiently, safely, and keep the integrity of both the product and the location where the delivery is being made intact, clean, and secure. The trends that I've been seeing, honestly, are they're kind of unique. I think in some ways they're actually favorable for companies like Champagne Logistics. We see our customers looking at landed cost, which is the total cost, including just the transportation, but also adding to that the cost of claims, the cost of damage, the cost of customer dissatisfaction. And when they look at the landed cost, they're arriving at a solution that sounds like white glove and specialty transportation because we do it more efficiently than rather looking at, okay, the line haul is very, very cheap, but then you have a high claims ratio, you have a lot of damage, and you have unsatisfied customers. And when you put that combination together, that trend has been favorable for companies like Champagne Logistics. The other thing we're seeing, and I think this is going to continue, is a sensitivity to the environment. And so if you have delicate equipment and you're spending lots of money to put crates around it to protect it from damage and any kind of issues in transit, our network, we can move those pieces of delicate equipment. They can be pad wrapped and secured without doing the crating. So there's an environmental benefit, and clearly there's also a cost benefit. You avoid the cost of the crate, although our transportation solution is a little higher. When you look at the total cost, you're really in an advantageous situation, and you've helped the environment to boot. So those are two things that we're seeing a lot of, and we continue to try to respond to our clients and support that. With respect to my background, I've spent 30-plus years focused almost primarily on high technology customers and sensitive equipment manufacturers, including those who make and manufacture medical devices. I've started my career in that sort of transportation, and then it evolved over time, and I've spent a lot of time sort of in the broad high-tech supply chain, and that includes specialty and value-added distribution, logistics solutions, transportation, as well as, kind of global responses for clients who are trying to make their supply chains more efficient. I retired from UPS in January of 2014, and have had an opportunity to work with some former colleagues here at Champagne, which allow us to really focus on that specialty, high touch, high execution kinds of support of clients, which frankly, it makes a lot of fun, and I think that gives a lot of value to the clients. So it's a nice marriage in terms of taking my my experience and kind of putting it in a format and a fashion that allows us to really create value for clients. Thanks very much for the opportunity to communicate about Champagne Logistics and what we do, and more specifically, what is white glove and specialty transportation in North America, done by experts like Champagne Logistics. Thank you, Dustin. Enjoy your day.